friends, this is Pooja Kumari of 4th semester students of Electronics Departments of Silly Polytechnic. As we know that the pandemic situations had been started 23rd of March due to coronavirus in India. In this pandemic situation, students were facing lots of problems due to study. Students were taught how to complete our syllabus and what will happen with our semester and session. Then our college decided to conduct online classes through Zoom meeting app and Moodle app. In this app, a student can study through PDF, and if any student have any difficulty and any query in the part of understanding, then our faculty conducted Zoom meeting app and we are asking so many questions and queries. Then our teachers clarify all the questions in the Zoom meeting app. At the same time, our college organized so many international webinars for extra knowledge. Hackathon is a part of webinar. So at last, I would like to thanks our Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir and faculty member for the effective support in this pandemic situation. Thank you and stay home, stay safe.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ फिलिप जॉन। मैं सिली पॉलिटेक्निक सिल्ली का छात्र हूँ। मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन ब्रांच से हूँ। हम देख रहे हैं हमारे देश में कोरोना वायरस जैसी महामारी फैली हुई है, जिसके कारण गवर्नमेंट ने लॉकडाउन किया हुआ है, जिसके द्वारा हमारे सारे कॉलेजेस, सारे स्कूल्स बंद हैं और बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को हम फेस कर रहे हैं। और सच में हम सोच रहे थे, ये जब ये लॉकडाउन हुआ था तब मैं सोच रहा था कि कैसे हमारा कोर्स कंप्लीट होगा, कैसे हमारा पढ़ाई कंप्लीट हो, कैसे हमारा सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा। लेकिन मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ हमारे डायरेक्टर सर को और हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर को, जिन्होंने बहुत जल्दी हमारे लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का व्यवस्था किया, बहुत जल्दी हमारे लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का प्रबंध किया, जिसके कारण हम अपने पढ़ाई को जारी रख पा रहे हैं, जिसके कारण हमारा सिलेबस, हमारा हर चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो रहा है। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ हमारे टीचर्स को। हमारे यहाँ 2 ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होते हैं, एक मूडल पे होता है और एक जूम में होता है। और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के द्वारा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का भी पालन कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, I am Smita Sarma from ECE department. As we know, COVID-19 has put the future of a student in dilemma. To overcome this, our college has taught online and virtual classes through various platforms such as Zoom and Moodle. In Zoom, we have our online classes, and in Moodle platform, we are provided with notes, assignment and quiz. Also, we have done few virtual lab on online platform as well. And for this, I would like to thank my college authority to providing this platform. Till then, stay home, be safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rupesh Kumar Dev, Electronics and Communication Engineering student from Silly Polytechnic. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from this pandemic situation. In our country, we are in lockdown since 23rd of March to till now. Being a student, we are facing a lot of problems, like school and colleges are totally closed. Due to this, we are unable to attend the classes. In this critical condition, many questions arise in our mind, such as from where we can study, how to do, what to do. All these negative thoughts were being generated. College has decided to conducting the classes in online mode through our college learning management system, that is Moodle, and by the use of Zoom, which is a video call meeting platform, which I must say was a good idea. They took classes regularly. Now at present we still are having our online classes. They take quizzes, they provide us notes, and they also give us assignments regularly. they give effort as much as possible for us. Not only that, our college has also conducted various virtual labs and different webinars for our betterment, where we can learn many things technically. And so I'm thankful to director sir, principal sir, and all the faculties for their great effort and precious support for us. And I take pride being a student of Silli Polytechnic, and I hope that this online mode of taking classes will be the new normal in the education field. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hello friends, I am Niti Patel. Student faces lots of problem in their further studies as school and college are shut down. Considering our worry, our college have taken a step for our online classes, which is very helpful for our study. And we are also having a virtual lab from the guidance of VLab, which is run by IT Kharagpur. Thank all staff of Silli Polytechnic. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe.